PureEdge lighting presents the Lazer line Up and Down with 2-inch round canopy installation. Follow these steps to ensure a clean, secure, and professional result. Ensure the junction box is mounted securely to a solid structure. Cut a 16-inch 2x4 brace, securing the junction box with screws. Install a 2-inch plaster ring to the junction box using number 8-32 screws. Unscrew the turnbuckle body and post for maximum adjustment and easy power connector feeding. Remove the screw and barrel to separate the swivel pieces. Feed the power connector through the turnbuckle, looping wires around the swivel and through the canopy. For red, green, blue, tunable white connectors, split and overlap wires. Replace the barrel, secure with the screw. Adjust direction and angle by loosening set screws, then tighten once positioned. For static white and monochromatic color strips, connect the red wire to the plus 24 volts direct current power supply and the black wire to the minus 24 volts direct current power supply using wire nuts. For red-green-blue and red-green-blue plus white strips, connect the black wire to the LED output plus, red to 1/R-, green to 2/G-, blue to 3/B-, and white to 4/W-. For tunable white with DMX control, connect the plus 24 volt red wire to the red plus DMX terminal. Connect the yellow warm white minus wire to the red minus DMX terminal. Connect the white cool white wire to the green minus DMX terminal. For the tunable white strip with 2-channel controls, cap the VIN 2 plus red and VIN 2 minus black wires. Connect the red plus 24 volts wire to the warm plus and cool plus yellow wires. Attach the yellow WW minus wire to the warm minus blue wire and the white CW minus wire to the cool minus blue wire. For RGBTW with Pure Smart, Wiz, Pro Power Supply controls, connect the black plus power connector wire to the VO plus red wire of the bridge box. Connect the red power connector wire to the R minus black wire of the bridge box. Connect the green power connector wire to the G dash black wire of the bridge box. Connect the blue power connector wire to the B dash black wire of the bridge box using a wire nut. Connect the white power connector wire to the CW dash black wire of the bridge box using a wire nut. Connect the yellow power connector wire to the WW-black wire of the bridge box using a wire nut. Place all of the wires inside the electrical box and secure the power feed turnbuckle to the electrical box by tightening the 2 provided screws. Determine the location for the power feed turnbuckle, either face-to-face or diagonal, up to 60 feet apart. Rotate the turnbuckle if needed to align with the opposite one. Repeat these steps for additional turnbuckles. Carefully unroll the light-emitting diode strip, check for outages, then loosely roll it back for installation. Next, install the non-power feed turnbuckle. Determine the location for the non-power feed turnbuckle, either face-to-face with the power feed turnbuckle up to 60 feet away, or diagonal from the power feed turnbuckle. Place the turnbuckle against the surface and mark the 2 screw holes. If mounting on drywall, use a Phillips screwdriver and press the anchor tip slightly into the drywall. Turn the anchor until flush with the drywall. Do not over-tighten. Align the canopy holes with the turnbuckle and secure by tightening the screws until the toggle bar is tight behind the wall. Unscrew the turnbuckle body and post to full extension for adjustments. Measure the distance between turnbuckles to determine the steel line strap length, then cut accordingly. Loosen the 4 set screws on the turnbuckle with an Allen wrench. Insert the steel line strap between power connectors into the power feed turnbuckle, then tighten the screws. Insert the other end into the opposite turnbuckle. Use spanners to rotate the turnbuckle post, ensuring the strap is taut. Avoid over-tightening. Tighten the screw on the turnbuckle bushing to secure its position, then insert the cover plugs over the screws on the canopy. Clean the steel line strap with alcohol pads. Align the plus 24 volts marking on the LED laser strip with the power connector, push the pins in, and press the strip onto the strap. Trim excess strip only at cuttable sections if needed. Begin by cleaning the steel line strap with alcohol. Align the LED laser strips at the center, ensuring a 1/16-inch gap between them. Remove the backing and press firmly onto the strap. Align the plus 24 volts marking with the power connector, ensuring light gaps are at the connector. Repeat for remaining strips. This slide details the red, green, blue, and red, green, blue plus white wiring configurations for LED laser strips. It includes power feeds at both ends for 4 runs, supporting static white and monochromatic colors. The setup involves a digital multiplex decoder, power supply, and controller, ensuring efficient power distribution and control over the LED outputs. The tunable white laser strip utilizes digital multiplex controls for precise color and intensity management. It features 2-channel controls for dimming intensity and color temperature. The setup includes a 0 to 10 volt controller for input, with connections for warm and cool channels. Ensure proper wiring with the power supply and driver for optimal performance. The Wiz UR bridge box enables seamless wireless communication via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It ensures settings are saved even during power loss. Pair with the Wiz app for control through smartphones, desktops, or laptops. The Pure Smart Room controller offers optional hardwired load for 120 volts alternating current, while the remote room controller is battery-powered.